Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and switch on notifications to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online per day worldwide with this free app. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you, and you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. And not only that, you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section below if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Before I show you the bonuses, remember that they will help you to earn more money while having fun for free. I have to show you this program since I'm having a good time on the internet. This software was intended to entertain you while also allowing you to earn a lot of money. This is a free app with daily prizes ranging from $10 to $5,000. With just this one app, you may earn up to $450 every day by playing a simple game. The app's name is Daily Raffle. However, if you stick with me until the end of the video, I'll show you how to make more than $450 every day by simply playing with these applications. What is the procedure for the Daily Raffle? Why are they paying you up to $450 per day only to download the app and have fun with it? This is comparable to a lottery that you may sign up for it for free and they will provide you with free lottery tickets. You have a significantly better chance of winning this lottery than you would in a legitimate lottery that you would have to pay to enter. You may enter for free, you'll get free tickets, and you'll have the chance to win money every day. You won't be able to win $1 million because the costs are lower than in a real lottery, but you can still win up to $450 per day. For a 100% free app, this is a remarkable sum of money. This is accessible in a number of countries. Now I'll go into how everything works in detail, but this is clearly not a typical game. This is a one-of-a-kind app and as well as a one-of-a-kind game. The chances of winning are incredibly high because so few people are aware of this software. Because this program hasn't been downloaded by many individuals, it's best to do as soon as possible. The following is how it works. Each ticket has 6 digits on it. As a result, you have the option of selecting 6 integers ranging from 1 to 9. There are just 6 numbers, and to win, you must match at least 4 of them on the winning ticket. Let's learn more about the app now that we've covered the basics. Because the program is available for both Android and iPhone, both sides will be satisfied, which is great because in some of our previous films, individuals have complained that this app only works for Android, but I have an iPhone, or vice versa. This one, on the other hand, is compatible for both, regardless of the device you are using. This software can help you earn up to $450 each day. Because they hold daily draws, you will enter the draw right here. As you can see, they'll pick 6 numbers for the draw, and since your ticket has 6 numbers on it ranging from 1 to 9, you'll pick 6 numbers from 1 to 5. You already have those 6 digits, so they might be 2, 3, 5, 6, 4, and 7. You wait to see if they will pick your numbers, and if they do, you will win $450. However, even if you don't have all of the numbers correct, you will still win at least $125 per draw if you check here on the right-hand side. If you get at least 4 numbers correct, and even if you only get these 4 numbers correct, you will receive a free $125. Then if you have 5 accurate numbers, you will win $250. And if you have all 5 correct numbers, you will win $450. And you can win 2 drawings every day for a total of $450. Simply to play the lottery on your phone for free, that is a lot of fun and interesting. You never know what to expect or what will happen next. You simply sit there and watch it on your phone while waiting for the numbers to come in. You keep track of your numbers, and if you get them right, you can make a lot of money with this app. You may find it at dailyraffleapp.com. This is their official homepage, however, it is also available on Google Play and Apple App Store. If you have an Android phone, simply search for Daily Raffle on the Google Play Store and download the app that looks like this. This is their logo, and you can see a risk-free app that you can download and install on your smartphone device by clicking on it. All you need to do now is sign up for a free account and begin utilizing it. Choose your numbers and enter the draw every day at about the same time. They'll provide you daily hints about the winning numbers to make things more easy for you. Now, I'm sure you're asking why these individuals are paying you so much money for simply entering a completely free lottery and handing you completely free tickets. To receive those tickets, you'll need to watch certain advertisements that they'll show you. The app makes money by showing you advertisements, which you may avoid in order to receive your ticket. But they still divide the rest of the money with you, which is rather ingenious. When you consider it, they're now winning money, making money, and you're making money without having to spend any. So it was incredibly brilliant of them. They submitted a fantastic application. Of course, you won't be able to make $450 every day by using this app, and you won't always win the $450 prize, which is why it was so wise of you to stick around until the end of this video. Now, I'll show you another app that will allow you to have even more fun and literally make even more money. On the second app, people are making thousands of dollars. This is evidence, and you can find it at winourgames.com. Greetings and thank you for visiting winourgames.com. This app is accessible for both iOS and Android on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store, and it allows you to win money by playing free games. You may play games that are both entertaining and educational for free. As you can see, most people play these games on their phones. But you can now make a lot of money by doing so. As you can see, playing gets you bonuses, tickets, and coins, all of which can be exchanged for real cash. Real money can be won. Here's proof of people making a lot of money from all over the world. As you can see, these people are making thousands of dollars simply by playing games on their phones. It may be seen from India, England, the United Kingdom, the United States, Germany, and other countries. This works in a variety of countries, and it works for children, teenagers, adults, and even the old. Because it is so simple, anyone can jump on board and start generating money. You may simply download this app and then play all of these different games, which are, as you can see, very exciting and intriguing. You will always be reimbursed. Naturally, some games will pay you less and others will pay you more. So you can just check through all of these different games to see which one pays the most. Then, in order to make more money, you need only focus on that game. This operates similarly to the previous one. They'll show you some ads within the app and split the remaining earnings with you. That is why they pay you to play games, and they pay you a lot of money to play games like this. I mean, you've probably noticed that when you open some games on your phone, they'll show you advertisements, but they won't pay you well. When our game is played fairly, they will divide the unusual revenue with you. As a result, you and they will both benefit, which is a fantastic notion. This app has a huge fan in me. On this app, I conducted a lot of research and read a lot of reviews and feedback. People are simply enthralled by the amount of money they are able to accumulate. Take a look at this. They're earning almost $3,000 just by playing free games on their phone. So now you know that you may lie in your bed and earn money while doing so. Obviously, it won't be able to replace your full-time job or income, but it's still a great way to supplement your income. To help and have enough money to buy gifts, pay bills, obtain new clothes, and other things. You are free to spend that money on whatever you want. Of course, you are the best judge of what you will spend your money on. But I just wanted to let you know that while it will not be a life-changing sum of money, it will still be a good sum of money because you will not have to invest it or do any actual hard work. You're simply having a nice time while earning a decent living. So there you have it. DailyRaffleApp.com and WinOurGames.com are the two apps I wanted to share with you today. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any of our future videos. I highly appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you again on the next video.